A fuel injection system fault, or more precisely, a defined fault within the control circuit of a particular fuel injector, is indicated by the diagnostic trouble code P0203. In this instance, fuel injector number 3 on an engine is the culprit in question. This is a perceived fault because the number 3 injector circuit's irrational feedback has been detected by the affected vehicle's PCM, indicating a possible problem. One must first comprehend the fundamentals of fuel injection operation in order to fully comprehend this principle. The ECM or PCM of a car powers individual solenoids, which operate each fuel injector in an engine. The ECM continuously checks each individual fuel injector circuit for measured anomalies in resistance and voltage. Diagnostic fault code P0203 indicates that during a commanded injection event, the engine's number 3 fuel injector circuit is not providing the expected electrical feedback to the vehicle's ECM or PCM. Similar codes, like P0201 and P0202, denote the injector that goes with them. The check engine light on a car eventually illuminates as a result of this disparity being recorded as an active diagnostic fault code. Symptoms. Numerous secondary symptoms are frequently present in conjunction with diagnostic fault code P0203, some of which are more obvious than others. People who can identify these symptoms are usually in a good position to quickly diagnose the problem. Some of the most typical symptoms linked to DTC P0203 are listed below. Check engine light, poor performance under load, erratic idle, engine misfire, reduced fuel economy, potential stalling. Causes. Diagnostic fault code P0203 may be the result of a number of different underlying problems, some of which may be challenging to identify. As such, it is imperative that you acquaint yourself with every potential cause of the current problem. Here are a few of the most likely reasons why DTC P0203 occurs. Faulty fuel injector. Wiring to the injector was shortened. Open wire to the injector. Faulty circuit connector. Faulty PCM. How to fix. You can use the following steps to help diagnose this fault code on your vehicle. As usual, before attempting any such repairs, make sure to consult factory-specific service literature. Scan for additional codes. Using an OBD-II scan tool, one should look for additional diagnostic fault codes prior to starting the diagnostic procedure. Before moving further, any such codes that are discovered need to be properly diagnosed. Inspect injector and connector. Start the diagnostic procedure by visually inspecting the number 3 fuel injector and associated connector on your engine. If at all possible, any such damage ought to be fixed before moving further. Replace any and all damaged parts as needed. Check resistance. A resistance test ought to be carried out if an inspection reveals no damage. To measure the resistance across the solenoid of the number 3 injector, use a digital multimeter. It is recommended that you compare these readings to the manufacturer's specifications for your car. If these readings are abnormal, the offending injector needs to be changed. Swap injectors. The engine's number 3 fuel injector should be replaced with an injector from any other cylinder if testing continues to yield conflicting results. Once the engine has run, check to see if the problematic DTC has shifted to the cylinder where the original injector was previously located, or if it has remained in the number 3 cylinder. In the event that cylinder number 3's problem continues, the injector circuit itself is called into question. Should the issue shift along with the injector's location, it is best to replace the offending injector. Check wiring. It is recommended to verify the continuity of each wire in the number 3 injector harness if the P0203 fault in your car continues. A factory-specific wiring diagram and a digital multimeter can be used for this. From the connector ends at the injector to the terminating ends at the ECM or PCM, every wire should be continuous. If not, there is an open circuit and more testing needs to be done. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.